I know there's a lot of videos out there already with the easy off and cleaning the wheels, so I am just simply adding to said videos. As you can see, it is very spotted just from sitting. I mean, you can even see the rust on the rotors from sitting for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these up and see what they look like afterwards. I did find it interesting that it does specifically say on the can, do not use on aluminum, but maybe that's just for raw aluminum finishes. I'm not 100% sure. We'll find out. It has been 5 minutes since I applied it. So it didn't come out really foamy, but I think that my can was cold from sitting in the shop overnight. So I've let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna use a little scrub brush and scrub it down, and then we'll clean it off and see what it looks like. And voila, the wheel looks 10 times better than when we started. So all I did was simply scrub it down after letting it sit for 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and wiped it off with just a rag. So what I think I'll do is, now that I know that it works and I don't see any like terribleness as far as using it on aluminum, per the precaution that it had on their bottle, I am going to go ahead and do the other 3 wheels, and then I will roll it outside. I will spray it, let it set for a little bit more, and then I'm going to rinse it off with water. So after rinsing them off with the power washer, this is what they look like. So it does look like it ate a little away at the bronze coloring. So if you do have painted wheels, you may be wary of that. But it did clean them nonetheless, so I guess it doesn't look as bad. And that is what it looks like on painted wheels.